Devastating tornadoes in Alabama have left miles of destruction in their wake, with residents reporting homes being obliterated in seconds.
Well, one U.S. Marine veteran, Jamie Popwell, decided to go to the area to help when he noticed that many of the destroyed properties had flags and flag poles destroyed, which sparked a new mission, rebuilding one flag at a time.
Here to tell us his story is founder of Flags for Vets, Jamie Popwell. Jamie, thanks for being with us.
Thank you. Good morning.
You're welcome. Thank you for what you're doing. Tell us what you saw when you went to visit that area and what you did with these flags.
Well, I was actually on the road that weekend. I was up in Florence, Alabama last weekend putting some flagpoles up for some other veterans, and my wife had texted me and said that there was a tornado that had hit Beauregard, the local community next door to us. And I've got family and friends that live in that area, so when I got home that night, it was too late for me to go up then, but the next morning I got up bright and early and grabbed chainsaws and everything else I would need to start helping, and I just went to the area to see what I could do.
Yep. Back in 2007, you started Flags for Vets, and you've put up over 300 flags and flagpoles across 21 states, many in that particular area. So when you went into action after the tornadoes, you wound up putting brand new flags on flagpoles in front of houses that did not exist anymore. Why was that important?
Well, for me, I mean, our flag is a symbol of hope. As a country, we have fought and done so much under that flag, and you know, where I've been and what I've done in my life, being able to see that flag has always given me hope, and that was my desire, was to make the residents there in that community, to give them hope, to give them something to look forward to.
And being that you knew so many people personally in that area, how were you received?
Well, there wasn't that many there that was, I mean, everyone was gone other than just rescue workers and search crews and those that were coming in like me just to help clear the area. So there weren't a lot of families there at the time, but I have since been contacted by a couple of families that have come back to where their homes were to see that there's a flagpole and a flag there, and offering me thanks.
Jamie, this is the sweetest story. You told our producers that you are patriotic. Saying that you're patriotic is an understatement, you said. You said you firmly believe in the flag and our nation. What does the flag mean to you?
Well, it means so much. Like I said, I've served my country and my community for more than 30 years between the Marine Corps and law enforcement and later in life as a contractor working in Afghanistan and Iraq. So I've been in countries where all we had was our flag when we looked up at the end of the day, and it just means so much more to me. It's not just it's not cloth and material. It is the fabric of our country.
And you're just not about the hurricane, excuse me, the tornado. You're about doing this all the time. To donate and help out, visit flagsforvets.us The link is also up on foxandfriends.com. So flagsforvets.us. Appreciate that.
At the bottom of the screen.
Thanks, Jamie.